All right, guys. So check this out. This is the Sharp JC-786 portable cassette player, also known as Walkman. So this is an awesome cassette player. Excellent quality. It's got everything you want in a Walkman. You can see the cassette. It's got a radio. It's mechanical. It's got a graphic equalizer, and it's got auto reverse. All right, so this is an awesome Walkman, okay? But there's two main issues with this Walkman, and this is my second one. I have like three, but I only opened two of them. All right, and I noticed that both of them have the same problems. It's not a problem if you can fix it, and then you're gonna have an awesome Walkman. All right, so the first one is the indicator for the FM AM radio. It always breaks on the middle arm, because the cord goes like this in the arm to hold it in position so you can indicate what station it's on. All right, it always breaks. So I don't know if I'm gonna use the same one and install it and do something. Maybe put a little bit of glue in it or something. But I don't know. Since the this is the indicator, right? And it's got 3 arms, I think, like that. So what happens is the cord goes like this, and then here, and then like this. Because if you go the other way, it's gonna keep it down. But if you go this way, it's gonna keep it up. And that way, if you keep it up, that you're gonna be able to see it. All right, and then the second issue is the gear. The gear that controls the okay, first let me show you how you take the back off. All right, so it's like this, right? And you have 6 screws, right? Okay, you got 5 right here, but you're just gonna take off 4 screws. All right, that one, this one, and this one, and you're gonna leave this one. Why? Because you don't wanna the latch to open the cassette door. It's got a little spring right there, so you want to keep it there, okay? Plus, it doesn't interfere with taking the back cover off. All right, so you got 4 screws right there, and you got 2 more on the other side. You don't have any on the top or the bottom. All right, that's it. And then you just flip it like this, all right, towards the switches. And then this is what you're gonna see. All right, and then, but if you wanna check the gear first before installing the belt or anything like that, you can. You just remove this screw right here, and this one right here, and you're gonna be able to flip the door like this. And then this panel is gonna be right here. All right, and on this panel is 4 screws. All right, this one right here, this one, that one right there, this one, and this one in the middle is 5. All right, that's gonna give you access, but like I said, you gotta remove the door so you can get access to both screws on the bottom. Then you remove the panel, and this is the gear right here. Okay, sorry, this one right here. As you can see, that one's broken right there. Do you see it? Do you see the line right there? So that the ones that controls pretty much both of the spindles right here, because it moves from this side to the other side to this gear, and this gear controls this one. All right, so what I did was I make this mold right here with the original one, with this one. If you have seen my other videos, that's how I do some of my gears. All right, so I push it in like that, and then I added the a mix of the Plast 8, the powder, and the chemical, the liquid. Mix it up in a plastic cup, and then just put it in there. And this is another experiment I'm working on right now. This is like an eraser for like an artist. I like to draw from time to time, and I see this thing, and I was like, you know what, I could use that, maybe that could work, you know. So I put I'm working on 2 gears, the same gears on these both materials. So I made the gear, and this is the gear, the first one. Actually the second one. The first one looks bad. All right, and I installed the gear. It seems to be working, but now I need to flip this board and replace the belt, because the belt is really stretched out. All right, and if you want to replace the belt, you need to remove, let me see, this way, 3 screws. All right, actually 4. You need to remove these 2. This one goes right here, goes right here, and this one goes right here. This is for the for this plastic piece right here that holds the radio, the cord, and the all that. All right, and then you're gonna remove, there's another one right here, and you're gonna remove the one for the spring, for the batteries. All right, but then you're gonna have to desolder some cables too. All right, this super thin black cable right here, I don't know if you can see it, it goes right here, and that one's attached to the radio cord. And then for the radio cord, you got to, first one goes right here on this solder right here, and the other one goes right here, as you can see. And then you're gonna have to remove the cables for the motor and the solenoid right here. Okay, as you can see, there's a black one right there, and the red one goes right here. For the solenoid, there you go, one goes right here, and the other one goes right there. All right, once you remove those, you're gonna be able to just flip it. And then for some reason, this Walkman, the other one I have, like similar to this one, doesn't have like a, can't remember actually if it has a plate for for the pulleys or not, but this one does. All right, so that's why. Otherwise it will be just easy to flip it, not desoldering the cables, and then just install the belt. But yeah, you have to desolder the cables on this one and remove the screws from the plate, sorry, or the plate. It goes right here, so you can replace the belt. All right, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you the mechanism on the inside on part number 2. All right, but yeah, like I said, that's what you gotta do. But this is a beautiful Walkman, other than those 2 issues, the gear and the indicator for the radio. But most of the time, these Walkmans, the radio works all the time when you get it. You don't need to replace any caps or anything like that, and then you just need to fix the cassette deck. All right, thanks for watching, guys.